Hello, my lovely people. Thanks for tuning in. Today, it's a different video. We are going to be cooking. I'm going to be showing you how to prepare chapati. It's the bread roll thingy. Before we go any further, guys, I just want to remind you to hit the subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button. Please, please, please. I need you tuning in every time I upload a new video. Then to everyone who subscribes, I'm gonna give away $1,000. Just joking. And hit the notification bell so that you can be notified. Also, give it a thumbs up, and a comment. Comment whatever you feel in the section. How did you like this video? What do you think I should do more? What else? What other topics do you think I should cover? Yeah, and if you just want us to get to know each other. Okay, so without further delay, let's get into it. Okay, so now we're just chopping some vegetables. This is actually a side dish for spring rolls because I'm gonna use the remaining dough for the spring rolls. So now I've just added the garlic and the ginger. So these are the ingredients that I'm gonna use. Black pepper, number 1. Then I'm gonna use this gravy mix. And then I'm gonna use this Raja curry powder with garlic. Soy sauce, very yummy, very nice with meat. Sticky barbecue basting sauce and flour. Alright, so this is the mozzarella cheese for my wrap. These are the wrap fillings. Cucumber, I'm also going to use cucumber. Then I'm going to use tomatoes. I'm just going to slice those up into half moons. Okay, so this is the bacon and the chicken breast. These are going to be my wrap fillings. So now we're going to make the chapati, and I'm just adding enough flour for the dough. Then I'm gonna add some salt, some cooking oil, some water. I'm just gonna mix that up until it's thick enough. So I'm just gonna keep on doing that until it's all stuck together, until it all comes together. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna prepare the board, putting flour so that it won't stick too much. And I'm just going to prepare the dough. I'm going to keep on adding flour until it's in the right shape and form. And just massaging that dough, getting real into that dough, yeah. Okay, I'm going to leave that to rest. And I'm just going to go ahead with chopping my wraps for the vegetables. Chopping the vegetables for the wrap. The half moons, like I said. You don't need much. I don't even know why I brought 2. Maybe I'm gonna use like 1.5. Just gonna slice that cucumber up as well. Just taking off the skin. Right, so I'm just gonna slice that up into like longish shapes, rectangular shapes. Okay, now I've got the chicken that I'm gonna use for my spring roll, and then I've got the chicken for the wrap and the bacon as well. I'm just gonna fry up my ingredients, my fillings for the spring rolls, adding salt, soy sauce, adding basting sauce for the meat. Tastes real good with some basting sauce. I promise you, anything adding basting sauce gives it life. Some pepper, black pepper in this case, curry, alright, I need the vegetables as well, and then I'm gonna make it like spicy. I need them to have like a curry flavor. I'm also adding the gravy mix. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and marinate the chicken for the wrap, squeezing some lemon juice. And then I'm gonna add some soy sauce. Then I'm gonna add again that basting sauce. Yummy, yummy, yummy for meat. Adding that curry powder, that black pepper. Adding flour. Just massaging, just mixing everything in there. Making sure the ingredients are carefully. Right. So now I'm gonna fry that till it's golden brown. So this is the paper towel that I'm going to use to drain the oil. Now this is the bacon. So now I'm going to prepare the dough to shape it. Now this is actually where the chapati is born, okay? I'm going to roll it flat into shape. Your desired shape, as long as you're able to roll a wrap with that, then that's fine. So it should look like this. Then you're just gonna fry that in a pan, in a non-stick pan. Flip it over on each side. Okay, so these are the fillings for the spring rolls. Again, rolling flat the dough into shape and then adding the fillers inside. So after you do that, you just simply roll spring rolls. There we go. So you just add egg to make sure that they're nice and crispy on the outside. Okay, so I've got everything I need for the wrap. Now I'm just gonna add mayonnaise on my chapati in the center. There we go, with the spoon. I'm just gonna add that lettuce in the center again. Spread that across vertically, then add the tomato. Just 3 will do. 3 half moon slices. Then I'm gonna add the chicken and the bacon. Okay, the cucumber. A few strips will do. Add in some black pepper there. Then now it's time for the cheese. Look how good that wrap looks, guys. Look how good those fillings look. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Then I'm gonna add sweet chili. Yummy, 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 yummy. It's gonna have the right sweetness to it and the right zing from the pepper. And it's done. Look at that. You fold it over, put a toothpick on top, then that's it. There it is. There we go. And the spring rolls are done. I just deep fried them after that. Then you are ready to serve. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This one was for my mom. That was so amazing, guys. I thoroughly enjoyed this. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys next time. Let me know what dish you'd like to see me prepare next time. And yeah, thanks for watching.